How to make a habit tracker in Notion. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a habit tracker in Notion. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, as you can see over here, there is a habit tracker available. If you don't want to create one yourself, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on the template section and use it. So if I just simply click on add a page and click on templates, and I will find the habit tracker underneath live. You will see it right here. You simply click on the habit tracker and you can go ahead and see all of the habits right here, and then you just simply click on get template, and after a couple of minutes the template will be added into your workspace or your page, and then you can go ahead and see all of these different dates. So as you can see, as we go up, it is March, April, May, June, July. You can go ahead and change the dates as well. You simply click on add new, and you can add today. You can add the date right here. As you can see, you can choose the date, and boom, there we go. After that, you are good to go. That's how you can do it, and you can change these up as well. You just simply click over here, click on rename, and you can rename whatever it is that you want to add over here, and then it will be added to whatever. So as you can see, if you don't want to create one yourself, you can go ahead and use a template section. But if you want to create one yourself, let's go ahead and do that. For that, what you'll do is you'll create a empty page like so. As you can see, I've already created one right here. Then what you need to do is you simply click on the table view to switch it to table view. All right. Now, as you can see, there is no data source. So what we'll do is we'll click on new database. That will allow us to create a new database right here. Now what we'll do is over here, we'll just add habit tracker or habits or whatever heading you want to call it. I'll just say habit tracker right here. And then we can also add an icon to it as well if you want to. Just simply click on the icon and then choose the icon you want. Right, there's a bunch of different icons over here. You can go ahead and select one from here. It depends on you. If you want to add a custom icon, you can do that as well. Just simply paste the link right here, let's say into Google, and we search for habit icon, and we have these different icons. So let's say we select this one, right? We click on this icon. Now we like this, but if we simply drag it right here, we can see that it is a actual transparent icon. It doesn't have any background. So what we'll do is we'll right click over here and click on copy image address. And what we'll do is we'll go back to our habit tracker and we'll just simply paste the link right here and click on submit. And now we will have our icon over here. As you can see, we can see it's pretty small, but it works. Now what we can do is now we can go ahead and fill out our database. So in the name section, since this is a word or is a text property, so I'm going to change it to a diary or daily notes type of thing. You can add that to your habit tracker if you want to track it, right? We'll just say daily notes or daily reviews or whatever, and we'll move it at the end. But for now, I think we'll keep it there, and we can even change the icon of it as well. Is there a sun icon? There is, so we'll just put the sun right there, and we will move it right here at the end. We don't want the tag, so we'll delete that and we'll create a new one, and this one will be the checkbox, and this one is going to be known as workouts or meditation. We'll say meditation, and we'll put an icon for meditation right here. We press the Windows and period key. I don't know for Mac, I think it'll be command plus period key, and then we just simply search for it. So we'll just say yoga, search for yoga. We found it right here, and we'll just simply select the icon. There we go. That looks nice. We'll put that over there. We'll create another one. This one will also be a checkbox, and we'll call this one workout. Again, we'll put a emoji. We'll say weightlifting or whatever. This one looks good, so we'll select that. We'll add another one. This one will be running, or you can basically add any items you want right here that you want to track. It can be anything. It can be workouts, eating, running, journaling, working. It can be anything you want. You can add that right there, and after that, you are good to go. So we'll add a running emoji right here, like so. There we go. Now that that is done, we have our checkboxes as well. Now, as we go along, we'll check them out, but we need to, let me just move that at the end right here. There we go. Now, this is a habit tracker. Now we'll also add another one. This is going to be for the date created. So we'll just say time created time, right? We'll just call it date. change it to whatever we want. It depends on you, like so. So this is going to be the date created. All right. So it's going to show us the month, the date, year, time as well. Want to. There we go. Now I'm going to show you how you can make it automate so that every day it'll add a new count right here. So let me actually go ahead and rename this table to habits, and we'll just say habits right here, like so. And we'll also change the icon of it as well to something else. I don't know. What would you say habits would be? Maybe a brain, like that. Well, we'll call it, yeah, okay. Now what we'll do is we'll click on this button right here and it'll say create templates for, and we'll click on this button right here and we'll just simply click on new template, and over here we'll just say daily journal, and also add a icon right here. We'll just add a book icon as well, or custom icon if you want, but I'll just add this icon right here. I think it looks good, as you can see. And then down below we just simply add our daily notes or whatever we want to call. So we'll just say daily notes or daily review or review of the day, or what did you think about today, anything like that, So yeah, so daily review, we'll just say right here. We'll make it bold, like so. And then down below we can add our review, and then we'll also add a to-do list. Now to add a to-do list, what you can do is you can simply click on the forward slash button and then find the to-do list in this option right here. Or what you can do is just simply add two square brackets actually, and you will have a to-do list option right here. So again, just simply click on forward slash button and just search for to-do list. You will have it right here. We'll just say item number 1 right here, item 2, and item 3. There we go. I think that looks good. And then what we can do is we can leave it at that. You can add other stuff as well. It depends on you, whatever you want. We'll just say daily tasks as well, just in case if we want to add that. But as I said before, you can add whatever you want. You can add like a whole paragraph. You can add things that you're grateful for, things that you want to do, things that you did, everything and anything you want. And once you're done, you are good to go. And once you've done that, we'll just exit out of this window right here. Now we have it right here. Now what we'll do is we'll click on the button, click on the three dots and click on repeat off, and we'll say every day. And now we just enter in the time. Now currently it's 11:30, so I'll just change it to 11:32 or 11:31, like that, and click on save, and we'll see it right here when it's 11:31. It should be right here any second now. There we go. 11:32 p.m. Let's try this again. All right. Now I changed it to 33. It should be coming here any second now. And there we go. As you can see, it just popped up. I changed it to 33 because I kept missing the timeline. But now it did finally at 33. As you can see, it pops up. So it works. So now just simply go ahead and change the date and time to whichever part you want. And at that time, it will add a new journal entry. All right. So we can just simply go ahead and delete the previous ones. We don't need them because now we only have this one, and it'll pop up every single day at 11:33 p.m. Right at the end of the day, it'll give me a new journal or a new form, which I can go ahead and fill it out. So very simple. This is how you do it. And that's how you create a daily tracker, a daily journal for your habits. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.